Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. As always, I thank you for joining us today for this video and thank you for watching. As always, thank you for watching and we hope all is well with everyone that's watching this video. So thank you again so many times after my introduction. I was blah, blah, blah. But thank you for watching this video. I've been MIA. I have not had a chance to put a video together to put on Tech Support Spy's channel for a while. And I do have planned, I have like a list of all these different videos I want to put together and put out here on this channel. But I have not had a chance to put anything together. I've been busy working on a business plan. And I've also been working on my tan a little bit since the last time you've seen my video. I did just get back from vacation, but before going on vacation, I've been focused on putting together my business plan. Obviously with Tech Support Spy, we do have the YouTube channel. But TekSupportSpy is also a LLC. I think I mentioned that in my introductory video on the homepage for TekSupportSpy. We do provide tech support service. We do provide one-on-one computer training. If you want to learn how to use Windows 10, Windows 11, you want to learn how to use Office or 365, or even if you want to learn how to troubleshoot a computer, we offer those one-on-one dedicated training offerings to customers that want to learn the material. They want to learn IT. They want to learn how to use a computer, learn how to troubleshoot a computer. We offer those services all via virtual sessions via Zoom. And I want to be able to start to expand that. I'm realizing as a first-time entrepreneur, you need marketing, and I need money for marketing. I need some money. I need some green, some Benjamins. I need some money. So I have been working on my business plan. I've been working with the AOF. I don't know if anyone has heard of the AOF. It's called Accion Opportunity Fund. And what Accion does is that they are a lender. They do provide small businesses with loans, SBA loans. They also offer support for small businesses. Like I'm actually working with like a business coach. They give you free business coaching sessions and kind of work with you on how to expand, how to grow your business. If you're starting out, they work out from the lowest level and start giving you insight on how to start your business, how to grow it, and how to maintain your business. And they also get you connected with some of the small business networks and channels to kind of give you some guidance from other small business owners who have gone through the same journey that you're starting off with and getting some good insight from them. So I've been working with AOF, Accion Opportunity Fund, to put together my business plan. And that's what I've been working on. I need a loan. I need some money. I need to be able to start boosting Tech Support Spy's brand. You see here, brand, right? Yeah, that wasn't funny. And I need to expand. I need to market it. I need to start boosting and marketing Tech Support Spy's brand and service. So I've been busy on that. I have not had a chance to put together any type of troubleshooting videos. You know, some of our subscribers will start to grow just a little bit. Hopefully here soon we can start to grow more. And that's one part too that we want to do. We want to be able to boost our Tech Support Spy channel, get more subscribers, get more followers. And we just want Tech Support Spy to help people learn their computer, learn how to use it, learn the technology, as well as training you how to learn the technology or use the technology, as well as training those who want to learn how to troubleshoot and fix their computer or fix the technology that they're using on a daily basis. I lost my voice a little bit from vacation, but that's what I've been working on. I kind of wanted to show you what I've been working on here a little bit. Now, if you look at my background on my bio on the TekSupportSpy.com website, you'll see that I have a MBA and I also have a college IT teaching background. And when I was told for an SBA loan, which is new to me, again, I'm a first-time entrepreneur. And if any small business owners or entrepreneurs are watching this video, you have any insight that you want to share with me from when you first started your company, please comment below or email us. You can email me at this address and share the knowledge. If you can, I would very much appreciate it. And any input that you can share with me on my journey as being a first-time entrepreneur I will take notes and we'll put it in my back pocket and know if I need an answer, hey, this is what so-and-so said, or this is what, I'll be able to refer back to that insight that she's given me. So you can email me or comment below on any insight you want to share with me. But I had to revert back to some old college documentation, and I came out of DeVry University. Shout out to all the IT guys. So anybody that came out of DeVry that are working in IT, glad you're working in IT or in the field that you went to DeVry for. But I came out of DeVry, got into IT luckily. Others that I was classmates with, they were able to get into IT as well. I ended up getting a bachelor's for computer information systems. I started out as a programmer, ASP.NET, and I went ahead and continued on with Keller graduate school to get my master's degree. But I had to refer back to an old document, a business plan that I had to do as my senior project back in like 2006, 2007. And I'll show you what I did back in 2006, and I'll show you what I'm working on now for a business plan, for this SBA loan. So let's take a look at this, right? Because this is old, and I was glad I kept on to this. And back then in 2006, when we were doing a senior project, our company was called Skills.net. Delivering innovative, high-level IT skills and performance throughout any industries. And this is the team. We were Team City. And these team members I have not talked to since, or even seen or spoken to since 2006. And anybody that has these names and you were part of this group, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're working in the field that you came out of DeVry with. And say hello below. Comment below, say hello. But yeah, we had at least a team of at least 5 people that were on this project, as I remember looking at what we had put together. But we went through this and we did a lot of research. We put together our executive summary. And by the way, I'm leveraging this old business plan for my current business plan for my own business. We put together our executive summary. The purpose and goal of Skills.net business plan is to establish a business strategy to provide a computer training business, which includes the need or want of additional IT training to enhance the skills of employees of all organizations as well as individuals. I need to just take that out and put that right to my executive summary for TekSupportSpy. Probably won't, but I could do that. We went through the executive summary. We looked at our operations plan of how we put together as an LLC. Then we also included like resumes of everybody as far as the different resources that are making up and operating the business at Skills.net. We even looked at, where is it? We even looked at the course schedule. I want to see the projections. Let's see if I can find out. I forget which page the projections are on. Yeah, we even had like some cost projections. Like let me move this in a little bit. Hope you can see that. So we looked at like the budget plan for the first year. So these aren't the projections, but we looked at like what type of resources did we need. We looked at our 5-year budget, first year, second year, third year. We looked at the equipment, what tower we would need to rent. We were going to be based out of Chicago when we did this. I want to see where are the projections at here. These are just the assets that we needed, the training supplies. Let me see here. I mean, we actually did a lot of research. Startup costs. We looked at what our budget would be for the startup costs, what the office desks would be, the standard desk, the executive chairs, conference tables, cabinets, lunchroom furniture. What kind of furniture would you have in a lunchroom? Like a two-seater sofa? Like I can't even remember what type of furniture. We only had one unit, so I'm thinking we would just have like maybe a 3-seater couch or something in the lunchroom. It's just funny as I look at this, I'm like, and it cost $79 back in 2006, 2007. That would have been definitely a cheap couch or sofa, probably from like, you know, a thrift store or something. Definitely a cheap couch. Probably would have had like holes in it. What else we put together? Our final operation budget. We got what the capital expenditure would be, how much we needed, what we needed for first HR budget, startup costs. So totally, to start up this business, we had put together, you know, over $300,000 to start this company, skills.net. So I just wanted to show you this. I had this old document from like 2006, 2007. I can't fully remember, but it's part of our senior project that I did back at DeVry. And I got an A on this. We got an A+ on this business plan. This business plan is like, how many pages is this business plan? I think it's like 90 pages. Here are some of the projections, professional services, the income statements, the first, it's 2008. First, second, third, and fourth, fifth year. How many pages is this? It's 93 pages. 93 pages was this business plan, and we did a lot of work. Did a lot of work, a lot of research in putting this plan together. And now I'm putting my own plan together for TekSupportSpy. Let's take a look at that plan. All right, guys. So this is what I've been working on for the business plan for TekSupportSpy for Accion Opportunity Fund. Now they gave me a link to kind of help put together. And they give you like a guide, like what information is needed here, and I give you examples of verbiage from other types of plans, just to kind of give you an idea what needs to go here. So I have not done the executive summary yet. The expectations, I have not done that. The forecast, I've been working mainly on, have not done the problem solving yet and the solution. I'll start to work on that, but I've been mainly working on the market size. I've been working on alternatives. I even have SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your, what's the T? Your threats. I can't remember what the threats were for or what the T was standing for, but it's SWOT analysis. That's your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats as far as what you consider when you're putting together your business plan. So I got those in here. What else I got here? Like when we do some of the computer repairs, you know, we kind of want to be, our strengths are going to offer some of the lower prices on desktop and laptop repairs, dedicated customer service, customer patience, 17 years in IT and technical support experience, computer desktop and laptop repair experience, A+ certified, ITIL certified. So, you know, we definitely have included some things in the SWOT analysis as it comes to some of the services that we're putting together as far as what our strengths, our weaknesses, our opportunities, and our threats are. Execution, you know, this is giving you what the marketing plan is going to be. You know, we're going to try to boost and market TekSupportSpy. We're going to use a marketing firm, our sales plan, our location and facilities, our technology that we'll be using to operate the business, equipment and tools. A lot of different things here that we have been working on to put together this business plan, because the hope is, you know, working with, you know, the business coaching with the AOF or the Accion Opportunity Funds, we'll be able to put together a great business plan, be able to put together our projections. You even have to put together your financial plan, your flow statement, your cash flow statements, your balance sheets. All that has to be filled out, and hopefully that then will push and kind of show a lender, especially an SBA lender, that these are the projections. This is how we're going to operate the business, and we'll give them confidence that if we give you this loan or this SBA loan, that yeah, you'll be able to pay back the money that we're going to give you, and we're going to invest into your business, into your company. So I've been busy on that. I've been busy putting together my business plan, trying to obtain an SBA loan so that TekSupportSpy can blow. So we can blow up and we can service you guys with tech support. Locally, we can service you with computer repairs, and we can continue to provide you with computer and tech support videos. I do get a few videos. Again, I want to be able to put out a video on troubleshooting your font size, how to fix that, and I also want to put out a video on what software you can use for free Office applications. Not necessarily Office. Some of you already may know what it is, but others may not know about the free Office applications. That's not Office, it's not Microsoft, but there's other tools that you could use to substitute for Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. Anyway, that's why I have been missing in action. I was about to say mission in action. I don't know why I have like Mission Impossible on my mind, but yeah, I've been missing in action. I have not had a chance to do any videos, but I do plan to do a few videos here and get some videos uploaded for you guys. But I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. I've been working on my business plan so that we can get an SBA loan, so that I can basically expand, promote, and market Tech Support Spy to basically boost us, to boost Tech Support Spy as a brand and make everyone aware of what we do and what we offer. And hopefully, you know, this will be a successful entrepreneur journey that I will be undertaking, and hopefully we are successful. So as always, thank you for watching this video. Tell everyone about Tech Support Spy. Tell your mom, your dad, your cat, your dog, your goldfish, your pet ant, your pet worm. It doesn't matter. Tell everybody about us. And if you are non-tech SAVVY, you're not watching or using Tech Support Spy. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching Tech Support Spy.